Today, I'm going to show you EndoSculptor. This is a home device designed for lymphatic facial massage. It helps reduce puffiness, improve lymphatic drainage, relax facial muscles, and create more defined facial contours. In this video, I will explain how the device works and how to use it correctly to get the best possible results. The rotating massage head is made up of 5 wave-shaped silicone spirals. These spirals are crafted from medical-grade silicone. They are smooth, soft, and move together as one synchronized system. When you turn the device on, the massage head begins to rotate. EndoSculptor has 3 rotation speeds and a reverse rotation button. The reverse function is essential because it allows the device to follow the natural lymphatic pathways of the face and neck. On the neck and under the chin, movements always go from top to bottom. On the face, movements go from the center outward. On the forehead, movements go from the center upward and outward. How to choose the correct rotation direction. Hold the device in front of you and gently bring your fingers close to the rotating head. If your fingers are pushed to the right, this is the correct direction for the right side of your face. If you press the reverse button and the device pushes your fingers to the left, this is the correct direction for the left side. When the rotation direction is correct, you'll feel a gentle lifting sensation. It feels similar to manual massage or gua sha. The difference is that gua sha works only while your hand is moving, while the device creates dozens of micro movements every second. How to perform the EndoSculptor massage. Before starting the massage, make sure your hair is pulled back so it doesn't interfere with the device. We always begin the massage with the neck. This is important because lymph from the face drains through the neck. The rotation direction is downward. I move EndoSculptor along the side of the neck. The movement goes from the ear down to the collarbone. Work on both sides. Pressure is minimal. This step helps release fluid stagnation and tension in the tissues and prepares the face for massage. Next, we move to the jawline. The rotation direction remains downward, just like on the neck. I start from the center of the chin and move the device toward the ear. Do not press too hard. Here we work on facial contouring, the jawline area, and relaxation of the chewing muscles. This is especially beneficial for people who experience jaw tension or bruxism. The next area is the cheeks. For the right side of the face, the rotation direction goes to the right. For the left side, it goes to the left. I start from the nasolabial fold and move the device toward the ear. The movement is smooth with a slight lifting angle. This helps reduce puffiness and smooth the facial contours. Next is the forehead. The rotation direction is upward. I move from the eyebrows up toward the hairline. Then I work from the center of the forehead toward the temples. Pressure should be very light. I recommend holding the device with both hands to stay in control. This relaxes the forehead muscles, softens expression lines, and reduces tension. At the end, we return to the neck. I repeat the movements from the ear down to the collarbone. This final step completes lymphatic drainage and prevents fluid from remaining in the